Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. Today in this video we will see what are the ways to check hard disk health in Windows 10. Your hardware is the soul of your PC, the place where all your most important data is stored. While most PC components can be replaced, invaluable data on your hard drive cannot unless you have a recent backup. For this reason, ensuring your hard drive stays healthy is crucial. That's why it's important to check your hard disk health on Windows 10. There are various ways to check this one, from built-in methods in Windows to your HDD. You can use all or just one of the methods that we are discussing. See here, first one, check the BIOS. As long as you are using a relatively modern motherboard, you can run a hard drive checks in the BIOS itself. As soon as your PC is rebooting, pressing the delete F2, F12 or whichever the button will take you to your BIOS. You can also set Windows 10 to boot directly into the BIOS. Once in the BIOS, the exact instructions will depend on your motherboard manufacturer. For example, I will take one of the MSI motherboard in which the BIOS is. You can go to setting advanced in that NVMe self-test to test the health of the NVMe, that is non-volatile memory devices. While you are in the BIOS, it is also a good place to see whether the hard drive you want to check is actually being detected by your PC or motherboard. On Dell and HP laptops, you should be able to check hard drive health by going to the BIOS and looking for the diagnostic also. Second method will be optimize and defrag in Windows 10. That is a built-in facility to check the health of the hard drive. Traditional SATA hard drives may have largely made way for much faster solid-state drives, but they are still very popular and remain an affordable way to store things like pictures, video and other file types. SSDs works a little differently, and while they never need a defragmentation, because fragmentation relates to where the data is physically stored on the drive, which is not in the case of SSD. SSD means solid state drive. They do sometimes need optimizing. If you feel like your non-SSD hard drive is slowing down, then you should check to see how fragmented it is. You can do this using the Windows 10's built-in defragment tool. You can type defrag in the start menu, then going to the defragment and optimize drive, then selecting the drive and clicking analyze. If fragmentation gets detected, click the optimization button. You can also right click the drives in the file explorer, that is select properties and choose tools and press optimize. Third one, use the HDD manufacturer's tools also. Most major hard drive manufacturer providers free robust tools to monitor your hard drive health and also performance. The first step to know which one to use, of course, knowing the make of your hard drive. If you know the make of your hard drive, you can skip this part. If you don't know, then press the Win key, type device manager and then click when it appears in the search result. In the device manager tab, unstack the disk drive option and make a note of the model number of your hard drive. Then next, type the model number into Google to bring up the results that will show to make of the hard drive. Fourth one, Windows Check Disk Tool. The Windows Check Disk Tool is a built-in Windows tool that will scan your hard disk to find system errors and bad sectors. It also helps to check the hard disk health by showing you any errors. It will both scan and fix problems if possible, and it will let you know if there is a biggest problem that it cannot fix. You can use this tool to both check the disk health and fix bad sectors and errors if possible. To use this one, type check disk in the file explorer. To use the check disk option, open the file explorer, right click on the drive that you wanted to check, then select the properties, then click on the tools tab, then press check. You will get a message stating you don't need to scan this drive in most cases. This is because Windows 10 automatically scans for disk health issues. However, you can still run a manual scan if you want. Fifth option, use WMIC. WMIC is a command line interface that lets you perform many administrative tasks, including checking the hard disk health. It uses a smart facility. Smart means self-monitoring, analysis and reporting technology. This feature of the hard disk to see the status, and it will provide the simple conclusion, that is okay, fail, like this. It will show some conclusions. It is still very basic command that offers very little information, but it's a quick built-in feature of a Windows. Or otherwise, sixth option, you can also use a third-party hard disk health checking tool that will offer much more information than just good or bad status. These tools also use the same, that is smart feature, just like WMIC. However, they provide far more details instead of just showing good or bad status. In that, one of such third-party application is Crystal Disk Info. For this purpose, Crystal Disk Info is a really simple and it is a powerful tool. It is free to use tool that is extremely light and offers all the required information such as temperature, health status, hard disk type and features, and other attributes like read write error rates, spin up times, etc. When you download and extract the files, select the right tool for your Windows 10 version. That is, it may be a 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are having the operating system of the 32-bit, then you have to use 32-bit. If it is a 64-bit, then you have to use Disk Info 64. This runs the tool without installing anything. So this type of information you will get: read error time, spin up time, startup time. It will show whether it is good or bad, like this temperature and this status. And also beyond this, it will show these are all the parameters which are required in-depth analysis. There are also other third-party hard disk health checking tools also, that is Hard Disk Sentinel and HDD Scan. There are much more advanced with loads of extra features. But for an average user, Crystal Disk Info will work definitely. You can use the above mentioned tools to check hard disk health on the Windows 10. If you don't need extra details, then the Windows built-in tool is very good. So friends, that's all in this video. I hope this video will be useful for checking your hard disk health. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel for getting more information about technical matters. Thank you.